CERN scientists just turned lead into gold, and you can learn how. Scientists at CERN just did what alchemists failed to do for 2000 years. They turned lead into gold. But here's the insane part. It cost them $2.16 million per pound. And I am about to show you exactly how you can get into this billion-dollar field that's literally rewriting the laws of nature. Guys, this isn't clickbait, this is actually what happened. CERN physicists used the Large Hadron Collider, the 17-mile underground monster, to strip exactly 3 protons from lead atoms at 99.99993%, the speed of light. They created 86 billion gold atoms. But plot twist, all that gold? Just 29 picograms. That's invisible to your naked eye. Yet, this failure opened the doors to a trillion-dollar industry. And I have found the exact universities teaching this right now. Here is what nobody is telling you. While everyone is focused on the gold, the real gold mine is the education behind this breakthrough. I spent weeks investigating and I found the exact programs training the next generation of particle physicists. Nuclear physics at Oxford, where they literally have direct partnerships with CERN. MIT's Laboratory for Nuclear Science, where students get hands-on training for the same electromagnetic dissociation techniques used in this experiment. And get this, CERN itself offers summer programs where you could be working on the next breakthrough. I have mapped out top institutions globally that will teach you these exact skills. For example, Europe has Oxford, ETH Zurich, Imperial College London, Cambridge. North America has MIT, Stanford, UC Berkeley, University of Toronto. In Asia Pacific, we have University of Tokyo, Australian National University, National University of Singapore. Here's the insane part everyone's missing. This isn't just about making gold. This breakthrough opens doors to billion-dollar industries. Medical isotopes, $5.9 billion market. They are creating rare isotopes for cancer treatment. Nuclear waste management, $350 billion industry. Transmutation could solve radioactive waste. Material science. Imagine creating elements that don't exist naturally. Superconductors, ultra-strong materials. Space technology. NASA is already funding transmutation research for Mars missions. And the job titles? Particle physicist, nuclear engineer, research scientist, accelerator physicist. We are talking about careers that literally didn't exist 20 years ago. Let me break down the insane earning potential as well. Fresh graduates, experienced professionals, the ROI calculation. I've spent 3 weeks analyzing every cost, every visa rule, every earning potential that admission consultants usually charge you 50,000 rupees for. We are now going to show you some ROI breakdowns of different programs abroad. You can pause the screen and take a screenshot. Oxford Nuclear Physics Pathway, MIT Nuclear Science Track, ETH Zurich Particle Physics. Here's the secret that makes these programs profitable while you study. Research assistantships for all programs. Oxford, MIT, ETH Zurich. CERN internship programs, summer student program, doctoral student program, technical student program, duration, part-time opportunities, UK, US, Switzerland, industry internships, Fermilab in US, Oak Ridge National Lab, Lawrence Berkeley Lab, DESY in Germany. Total earning potential while studying, Oxford Pathway, MIT Pathway, ETH Pathway. This means you are earning back 15 to 20% of your investment while studying. Now here's the complete India strategy that changes everything. Nuclear physicist in India earns about, and in other countries like US, Europe, Switzerland. Career timeline comparison. Studying in India, studying in abroad, the return to India gold mine, government sector opportunities, ISRO, BARC, TI Power, IIT faculty positions. Private sector boom, Nuclear Power Corporation, L&T Nuclear Business, Tata Advanced Systems, International Consulting. Startup ecosystem, nuclear medicine startups, material science company, research consultancies. The ultimate arbitrage. Spend 5-6 years abroad, total investment 1.1 to 3.9 crores. Lifetime earnings difference 15 to 25 crores versus 3 to 5 crores India only path. Return to India with 10x salary increase. Net benefit 12 to 20 crores over career. Listen, the CERN discovery isn't just news, it's a career opportunity that's happening right now. Applications for 2025 programs are closing in the next 3 to 6 months. I have put together a complete roadmap, the link for which is in the description below. And if you're serious about it, smash that subscribe button to know more about career opportunities that others don't even know exist yet.